chicken steam roast in the Ninja Foodi. I have here 4 chicken leg quarters and I have made big slits in them. You can see here. Since I'm making them wedding style, professional style, I'm first gonna put some yellow food coloring on the chicken. I have dissolved the yellow food color in water. Next, I'm gonna make the marinade for the chicken steam roast. Here I have 6 tablespoons of yogurt. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt or to taste, half teaspoon paprika powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon jeera powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and lastly 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Mix it all thoroughly and apply to the chicken. Now I'm applying this to the chicken. Make sure it goes inside the cuts. I've applied the masala thoroughly to the chicken. Now I'm going to refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. The more the better. The chicken has been marinating for a few hours now. Now I'm going to steam the chicken. I have placed this rack in the main pot. Pouring 1 cup of water. Aluminum foil. Make some holes in the foil. Now I'm going to wrap it in the foil. Cover it well. The lid, set it to seal mode. Select steam. I will take the whole rack out and throw away the water. Placing it back in. Placing back the chicken on the rack. Brush oil on the chicken generously. Chicken should be done now. It's been 15 minutes. Wow, this looks beautiful. Let me dish it out.